Hi, my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little short video and it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's a sound demo video for this beautiful little deerskin 14-inch egg drum. It's rather gorgeous. I'll turn it over. You can see it's been laced with artificial sinew and we've got a lovely branch handle. This is a hazelwood branch. The frame is beechwood. I put a burnt in there beech and deer, so you've always got that reference to the materials that have been used for this drum. I put my maker's mark in there as well, Driftwood Hollow Drums, as well as a birth on the 5th of January 2023 in Knighton Powys, UK. So you've got that for your astrological information that you would need if you wanted to look up a birth chart, find out what energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed. So I'm going to play with two beaters. A soft, this is a firmer beater. I've got a softer beater as well. I'll swap over about halfway through so you can hear the difference between the two. Either of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide this is the drum that's calling you. So here we go. I'm going to start with the firmer beater. And then the soft beater. Beautiful. Slightly more muted and gentle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum online. It's very difficult, so that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.